In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money between different accounts in QuickBooks Online using the current desktop interface. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move funds from one account to another so your bookkeeping stays accurate and tidy. We'll use QuickBooks' built-in transfer form, which is designed specifically for moving money between your own accounts, like checking to savings or checking to a credit card. Using this feature helps you avoid duplicate entries and keeps both sides of the move recorded properly. Start on your QuickBooks Home dashboard. From here, click the plus New button. This opens the menu where you create transactions. Under the Other section, choose Transfer. This brings up a simple form that captures the key details of the money movement. First, tell QuickBooks where the money is coming from. In the Transfer Funds. From drop-down, select the source account. This might be your checking account if that's where the funds are leaving. Double-check that you pick the correct account, especially if you have multiple accounts with similar names. Next, select where the money is going. In the Transfer Funds. To drop-down, choose the destination account, such as a savings account or a credit card account you're paying down. Make sure you don't select the same account for both fields, as the transfer needs a distinct source and destination. Enter the transfer amount. Type the exact amount as it appears in your banking activity. Keeping this precise will help your bank feed match the transfer automatically later. QuickBooks records the amount moving out of the first account and into the second in one step. Set the date of the transfer to the day the money actually moved or the date you want reflected in your books. Aligning the date with your bank statement makes reconciliation smoother and minimizes timing differences. If you want to keep extra context, add a memo. For example, you might note monthly savings sweep or credit card payoff. This is optional, but helpful when reviewing your records later. You can also click Add Attachment to include supporting documents, like a PDF confirmation or a screenshot. Attachments are optional, but they make your records more audit-friendly and centralized. When everything looks right, click Save and Close to finish. If you need to record another transfer right away, choose Save and New to open a fresh form and keep going. That's all there is to it. You've efficiently recorded a transfer and kept both accounts in balance with a single, clean entry. If this video helped, please like, subscribe,